nature of the parabola. In previous class we have write the nature of the parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax. Now here y square is equal to minus 4ax. Okay, the nature. So the nature ఏంటంటే first of all its diagram is, so y square is equal to 4ax we have done. Now we have to write the y square is equal to minus 4ax. Its diagram is like that. This is the parabola and the focus is this is S. Next directrix foot of the perpendicular Z. Now if you join them you will get what is that? Principal axis. This is the principal axis. Here also the principal axis can be considered as x-axis. Now the directrix is like that. This is the directrix I am going to take. This is the directrix. Okay. So what is the difference between them here? Here the vertex is, this is the vertex. If you observe here focus is the left side of the vertex in this diagram. So in previous problem, previous parabola, the focus is the right side of the vertex. That means the curve is like that. Y square is equal to 4ax. Now the curve is like that. If y square is equal to minus 4ax, now the curve is like that. Okay. So they are the properties. Now in previous we have told the properties of the y square is equal to 4ax parabola. Now you can replace, in previous class the parabola is this is, now the parabola is minus 4ax. Now that is, here you can write 4 into minus a into x. Now you have to keep a as minus a in the previous properties. Okay na? In last class లో చెప్పాను కదా y square is equal to 4ax parabola ఉంది. ఆ parabola a ఉన్న ప్రతి చోట minus a రాస్తే then you will becomes the, you get the nature of the parabola y square is equal to minus 4ax properties. So చెప్తారమ్మా ఆ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఏమేంటియో? ఫస్ట్ వన్, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? వర్టెక్స్. వర్టెక్స్ a is equal to ఏముంది అక్కడ? 0, 0. కంపల్సరీగా 0, 0 తీసుకోండి. ఇది parabola. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి ఇక్కడ శీర్షం, తెలుగు మీడియం వాళ్ళు కూడా రాసుకోవాలి. శీర్షం క్యాపిటల్ A 0, 0. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి ఏం రాసాం? నెక్స్ట్ ఫోకస్ ఎస్ ఏముంది అక్కడ? a, 0. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ a, 0. నాభి ఎస్ మైనస్ a, 0. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్. రిమైనింగ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రాయమన్నాను. ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ ఈజ్ x-axis. Here also x-axis, and equation is y is equal to 0. So అక్షరేఖ x-అక్షం, అక్షం మరియు సమీకరణం y is equal to 0. నెక్స్ట్ ఏముంది? నెక్స్ట్ ఏం రాసాం? డైరెక్ట్రిక్స్. ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ directrix. Equation of directrix, what we have told? X plus a is equal to 0. Here you can write x minus a is equal to 0. Next what I have told you? Next distances. Distances లో మైనస్ ఉన్న ప్లస్ ఉన్న మైనస్ ప్లస్ ఏ తీసుకోవాలి, అది గుర్తుంచుకోండి. Distances లో we can't write the minus values. Now the distance between focus and directrix, focus and vertex, that is SA is equal to A. Here also you can write A. Don't write here minus A because the distance should be always positive. Okay. నాభి శీర్షాల మధ్య దూరం. మధ్య దూరం SA is equal to A. Next one, the distance of between Next one, vertex and directrix. Directrix, that is vertex and directrix A Z is equal to this one also A units. శీర్షం నియత రేఖల మధ్య దూరం AZ is equal to A. Next one, distance of focus from the directrix. The distance between focus and directrix, that is focus S, directrix foot of the perpendicular Z, that is 2A. నాభి నియత రేఖల మధ్య దూరం SZ is equal to 2A units. Next, length of lattice rectum. Lattice rectum L dash is equal to 4A. నాభిలంబం పొడవు LL dash is equal to 4A. So finally, the parabola is symmetric with ఏమవుతుంది x యాక్సిస్ కదా, అంటే పారాబోలాని ఫోల్డ్ చేస్తే ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ హాఫ్ ఫోల్డ్ అయ్యేటువంటి లైన్ ఉంటుంది కదా, దట్ ఈస్ x యాక్సిస్. పరావలయం x అక్షానికి సౌష్ఠవం. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకేముంటుంది, ద ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ ద ఫోకస్ ఈజ్ లెఫ్ట్, అది ఇంపార్టెంట్, లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది వర్టెక్స్. లెఫ్ట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మైనస్ వస్తుంది. మనం పారాబోలాలో y² is equal to 4ax ఆర్ y² is equal to -4ax. సో ఈ ప్లస్ ఆ మైనస్ కంక్లూడ్ అవడానికి, టు కంక్లూడ్ ద ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్, we have to check this condition where the focus lies to the vertex, that is either left side or right side. Either left side we have to write the minus, either right side we have to write the plus value. They are the properties. Okay na. Vertex focus is the left of the vertex. నాభి శీర్షానికి ఎడమ వైపున గలదు. ఓకేనా. ఇవి ప్రాపర్టీస్ అమ్మ మనకి. దిస్ ఈస్ ద నేచర్ ఆఫ్ ది parabola. x² is equal to 4ay. ఓకేనా. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద నేచర్ ఆఫ్ ది parabola. x² is equal to 4ay. So here the simple observation, that is in previous the standard form is y² is equal to 4ax. Now here we are going to discuss the x² is equal to 4ay. That means you can write x can be y and y can be x. x ni y గా చేంజ్ చేయాలి, y ని x గా చేంజ్ చేయాలి. Also points లో, in points the point contains x coordinate, y coordinate. Now x coordinate and y coordinate both are translates. x coordinate place లో y రాయండి, y coordinate place లో x రాయండి, అంతే. ఓకేనా. అది మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఈక్వేషన్స్ లో x ప్లేస్ లో y రాయండి, y ప్లేస్ లో x సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం. ఇన్ పాయింట్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఇంటర్చేంజ్ ద x coordinate as y, y coordinate as x. Okay, so remaining should be same to same. Okay, that is the hint. Now the corresponding diagram is, the curve is like that. This is the curve. So focus is like that. Next directrix is, suppose I am going to take the directrix here. Foot of the perpendicular of focus on the directrix is that one. Now draw the directrix here. Sorry, this is the principal axis, not directrix. This is principal axis. So principal axis cuts the parabola in A. Now the directrix is this is. So this is the directrix. Okay, now the vertex coordinates are 0, 0. Okay, so this is the diagram. So what I have to do here, you have to do is, in the y square is equal to 4ax parabola nature, you can write x term as y term as x, and also coordinates also. X coordinate can be changed as y coordinate as changed as x coordinate. Now I am going to write the natures. The first one, vertex, sesium. So A is how much? 0, 0. If you interchange them, there is no change here. Next one, focus, nabhi. So how is that? In y square is equal to 4x, you have written a comma 0. Here you have to write 0 comma a, because of focus lies on the y axis. This is y axis. Okay, next one, the principal axis. So there the principal axis is x axis. Here we have to write y axis, and equation is x is equal to 0. అక్షరేఖ y అక్షం అవుతుంది మరియు సమీకరణం x is equal to 0. Next one, what you have to do is, principal axis after we have to write the directrix, equation of directrix. So here the equation of directrix is, in a y square is equal to 4ax, we have to write x plus a is equal to 0. Here we have to write y plus a is equal to 0. నీతరేఖా సమీకరణం. Next one, what you have to write here? Next property, distances. Same, distance never has changed. Distance between focus and vertex SA is equal to A. So they can be write as same to same, these conditions. So here you have to write నాభి శీర్షాల మధ్య దూరం. దూరం SA is equal to A. Next, distance between vertex and directrix is AZ is equal to A. Next, distance between focus and directrix is same. Next, length of lattice rectum is 4A. They are same to same. They are 6 property. 7, 8 property. Next, here parabola is symmetric with here. What you have to write? The parabola is symmetric with y axis. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, పరావలయం y అక్షానికి సౌష్ఠవం. Next one, the focus is, how is the focus here? Observe in the diagram. Focus is vertex కి above or below ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ the vertex is focus above or below. When the principal axis is y axis, you have to write above or below of the vertex to the focus. Next one, when the principal axis is x axis, you have to write left or right side of vertex of the focus. Okay, the focus is above the, plus వస్తే above the vertex, above the vertex. నాభి శీర్షానికి ఎగువన ఉంటుంది. Okay, so they are the properties. Okay, nature of the, next one, nature of the parabola. Nature of the parabola, x square is equal to minus 4ay. Okay, so this is the property. So for that, its diagram is, so the its previous parabola, if you observe that this is the x square is equal to plus 4ay. So now we are going to discuss about the x square is equal to minus 4ay. That is like the diagram. So that diagram ఇలా ఉంటుందమ్మా. ఇది parabola, ఫోకస్ ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు మనం ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ ఫామ్ చేస్తున్నాం. This is the principal axis. Principal axis, y axis. Now this is the vertex. So directrix, if you consider here, directrix, its foot of the perpendicular from the focus to directrix is z. So this is the parabola is like that. Okay, now you can write the properties of y square, x square is equal to 4ay. So just you have to put a value as minus a in y square in x square is equal to 4ay parabola. That means you have to write all the properties of this one, all the properties of x square is equal to 4ay parabola. Just you have to write the a value as minus a value minus a రాయించాలి. Only 1 minute. So they are the properties of y square is equal to 4ax. Now you have to change the values. A as minus a, you can write a as minus a, you will get these answers. Next, y minus a is equal to 0. Next, you have Right here also minus a. Now distances never changed, so they are the properties. Okay, but here the parabola is symmetric with y-axis, and also the focus is below the vertex. You have to change that. The focus is below the vertex. Below the vertex. Below means దిగువ. దిగువన ఉంటుంది. So its corresponding diagram is this. So they are the main parabola properties. Next, one more thing is next parabola. Nature of the parabola. Nature of the parabola. Y square is equal to 4a x. Already we have this is. Just now I have to write y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. This can be obtaining from y square is equal to 4ax. Like that, y minus 0 whole square. If you write, this is of the form 4a into x minus 0. So now y square is equal to 4ax has the vertex a 0 0. So that means here y minus 0, x minus 0 if you taken. So here the vertex coordinate are a 0 0. So whenever you have to take here y minus k whole square and x minus h here, now the vertex has only changed, that is h comma k. This is the vertex. So that means here in the parabola y square is equal to 4x, the properties of this parabola has changed as, you can write x as x minus h and y as y minus k. Next one, in point, in the points, the coordinate x coordinate can be added by plus h, y coordinate can be added by plus k. Okay, so they are the hints to write the equations and coordinates of the points. ఇప్పుడు మీకు y square is equal to 4ax parabola ఉంది కదా, ఆ y square is equal to 4ax parabola దాని ప్రాపర్టీ ఉంది. దాని ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఎలా చేంజ్ అవుతాయి అంటే, ఈక్వేషన్స్లో ఏమో ఈక్వేషన్స్ సమీకరణాలు అంటాం. సమీకరణాల్లో మీరేం చేయాలి, ఎక్స్ కనబడితే యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ హెచ్, వై ఇఫ్ యూ సీన్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ వై మైనస్ కే. నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్స్ కనపడి అనుకోండి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏ కామా 0 ఉందనుకోండి. Now the x coordinate will be changed by adding h to x coordinate and adding y to k. Okay na, y coordinate k to add cheyali. Okay na, so they are the properties. Nature of the parabola. Parabola y square is equal to y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. The basic diagram of this one is like that. Same to y square is equal to 4ax form, but the origin is shifted to h comma k. That means vertex has shifted to h comma k. So this is vertex, here h comma k, remaining should be same. That means here the principal axis is not x axis, that is a horizontal line. So you have to write the principal axis as the horizontal line. This is the principal axis, let it be horizontal line. Next, focus is on the horizontal line. S is the focus, here Z. This is the directrix. So this is Z. So this is the property. Now I am going to write the natures of this one. And y value can be changed as y minus k, and points can be added by x coordinates by h, y coordinate by k. So that is the properties. So now I am going to change here.